My name is Rebecca Musi, and today I'm going to show you how to create a Lightning component that can be launched from an action within a flow. This Lightning component will redirect a page to any URL that you set it to. The reason I decided to create this was that I have a member page that gets reassigned, and since the members are privately owned, when the reassignment happens, there is an error on the end of the user who did the reassignment because they can no longer see the member record. For example, if I go into this record for Jacob, and I click this button, which will reassign his record to a different user, you'll see that Jacob is no longer available to the current user. I'm going to log out as this user and show you how to get it set up. From any page where you have access to Setup, click on Setup and go to Developer Console. In the Developer Console, you want to go to File, New, Lightning Component. Name the Lightning component, something like redirect to URL, add a description, and click Submit. The first thing you see is the Aura component. This Aura component uses Lightning available for flow actions, which makes the component available in your flow. It has an attribute called redirect URL that's a string. The next piece to add is the controller. The controller gets the component, it redirects using the eForce navigate to URL, and when that navigate to URL redirect happens, the parameters that are set are the actual URL that you put into the screen flow in the action. The way that this variable gets shown up in your screen is through the design component. The design component has this variable redirect URL, and the label is URL to redirect. We'll see that when we go into the flow. I copied these pieces from an existing Lightning component. However, if you wanted to have this information without actually copying or typing what I wrote here, you could probably ask ChatGPT, which is where I got this information in the first place. Now just save all the components. This is the flow where I use the new Lightning component. I'm going to show you that the one we just created is available to us when I add an action. If I type redirect, this is the one that we created, redirect to URL. I'm not going to use this one, I just want to show you the way that I set it up in mine. So I named it redirect to member list view, I made a description, and then I pasted in the list view URL. In order to make this flow available to a user, you have to add it as an action on the object where you want it to appear, and then add it to the page layout, the standard not Lightning page layout, as a quick action. And then you'll have a button available to you. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this video.